And we're live. Welcome back. We're with Ramakrishna Garine, and he is a seasoned supply chain management expert with over 12 years of experience spanning various industries, including retail, health, automotive, and manufacturing. His career is dedicated to optimizing supply chain operations through the innovative application of data analytics and artificial intelligence. Today, he's going to be talking about his presentation on supply chain analytics titled From Data to Decisions: The Impact of AI on Supply Chain Analytics. With that, I'm going to share his screen and I will remove myself. Ramakrishna, the floor is yours. Oh, you're on mute. Just, yep.
One second. I think there is echo going on for me here.
There's a, pardon?
Am I good?
Yeah, you're audible. I see you. I see the presentation. Oh, let's give Ramakrishna 1 minute. There may have been a little technical snafu there. How's everybody doing? Well, I hope that means good.
Am I audible now?
You're we're back live and you're on the air.
Okay.
Yeah, we're able to see your screen. Ready to go?
Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. My name is Ramakrishna. Thank you all for joining today. Welcome to the Swarm Expo. My topic on the discussion is from data to decisions, impact of AI and supply chain analytics. And moving on to introduce myself, I have about 12 years of experience in supply chain analytics and process optimization. I'm passionate about driving innovation in achieving measurable improvements in efficiency and cost saving. My expertise includes supply chain operations, data analytics, and technologies in ML and AI. In my current role as a supply chain specialist in battery and electrification sector, I've led several impactful projects. I developed an automated order management system and designed advanced tools to improve material planning accuracy. I also led several analytical tools using Python and ARIMA models and also ran in Forest. These tools have enabled precision and long-term forecasting, aiding the strategic planning. And I have authored recently authored a book that is Power of Analytics in Supply Chain Management, which provides a framework for integrating the data analytics to the supply chain operations. This work combines the real world scenarios with actionable insights to help the organizations harness the work effectively. And I also authored several research papers and presented several research papers and conferences on the topics of AI, predictive analytics, integration of AI, and supply chain optimization and supply chain networking. My work demonstrates these using of these technologies, which can again transform the industries and enhance efficiencies, reliability, and decision making. And I'm proficient with SAP, Tableau, and I am currently pursuing a master's degree from UD Austin in MSAI, and also a long-term plan for a MicroMasters in Supply Chain Management from MIT. So, in addition to my technical and academic achievements, I have contributed as a peer reviewer for for about close to 100 odd journals and conferences in through IEEE Access and Springer Nature. I currently hold leadership positions in a members at Howard Advisory Committee and senior member with IEEE, and these reflect my commitment to advancing knowledge and fostering collaboration. So, in summary, I'm dedicated to leverage technology analytics and looking forward for impactful results. So today, I'm excited to discuss my topic that is from data decisions, the impact of AI on supply chain analytics. As we know, supply chains are the backbone industries, ensuring products and services delivered efficiently and effectively. However, as global markets become more interconnected and complex, managing these supply chains has become a increasingly daunting task. This is where AI comes into play and has a potential to transform supply chains operating by turning the vast amount of data to actionable insights. Today, we would be looking into how AI achieves this, mainly the challenges and the opportunities that we have, and also presents a step organization and can what it can do to implement the AI-driven solutions. By the end of the presentation, you will have a clear understanding of AI role in enhancing supply chain performance and a roadmap leveraging these technologies in your day-to-day operations. Our goal, moving to the next slide, our goal is to understand how AI is revolutionizing supply chain analytics. We'll explore the impact of AI, challenges, and it addresses, and how to implement the AI-driven solutions effectively. We'll begin by setting the stage by discussing the role of AI in modern supply chains. Next, we'll identify the limitations and challenges of traditional supply chain management without AI. We'll also examine the hurdles of the organizations we face when integrating with AI and highlight critical factors to consider the successful adoption of AI. And the next, we will discuss the best practices for creating effective AI solutions in the lens of supply chain analytics and look forward for some real world examples of AI in action with supply chain. Finally, we'll wrap up with insights gained and what future holds for AI in supply chain analytics and supply chain. Moving forward, um, the evolution of supply chain landscape in the today's rapid and changing global market, it has been more complex than ever before, right? And globalization has expanded to the reach of the businesses, but it also has introduced new challenges, mainly with longer logistic networks and dealing with diverse and regulatory environments. At the same time, the digital transformation is sweeping across different industries and it's reshaping how the business operate. Companies are adopting advanced technologies to stay competitive, and these includes to embrace digital tools with supply chain operations. One of the most significant supply chain changes that we are witnessing is the explosion of data. Every transaction, every shipment, every customer interaction generates data. This holds a valuable insight, but it can only be effective and if it is analyzed and interpreted. Traditional methods of data analysis are no longer sufficient to handle these large volumes and velocity and the data generated by modern supply chains. And this is where artificial intelligence come to play. In AI, technologies have emerged as the powerful tools of processing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, mainly using ML algorithms, which again can help pattern recognition, and that would be almost impossible for a human to detect manually. And NLP, in most cases, say in CX and customer supporting customer management, has been enabled to understand human language, and that facilitates better communication and data integration. The convergence of these all these factors like globalization, digital transformation, digital explosion, and emergence of AI has created a unique context to SCM or supply chain management today. Businesses can effectively leverage AI in supply chain analytics to gain a significant competitive advantage. They can certainly make faster, smarter decisions which can optimize their operations and respond more effectively to market changes. So, in this presentation, we'll dive deep into how AI is impacting supply chain analytics. We'll explore specific problems that AI can address, the constraints to the business which we face implementing AI solutions, and considerations that need to be taken into account. We'll also look into how to design and implement AI driven solutions effectively, share lessons learned from real world applications, and discuss future trends that will shape the supply chains of tomorrow. By understanding this, of how AI operates in SCA, supply chain analytics, we can better appreciate the potential and be prepared to harness the capabilities to transform data to actionable decisions. Moving forward, today, traditionally in supply chains, there is a multitude of challenges we face today. One of the primary issues is the inefficient data. Supply chains generate a vast amount of data from various sources such as suppliers, logistic providers, and customers. However, without advanced analytics, the data remains underutilized. Manual data processing is time consuming and it is prone to error. Somebody can fat finger the data and somebody can record the wrong data, which again lead to misinterpreted opportunities for suboptimal decisions. And another significant problem is inaccurate demand forecasting. Traditionally, forecasting methods often rely on historical sales data and do not account for real time changes or external factors such as economic shifts, weather patterns, and social trends and seasonalities. This can result in either excessive inventory or stockouts. Both of it is costly for the businesses. Excess inventories would tie up the capital and increase storage costs, while stockouts would lead a lost sales and diminish customer loyalty. Inventory management issues are closely linked to forecast accuracies. Without the precise demand, maintaining the optimum inventory can be a challenge. And that is where companies struggle with the balance of these costs associated with holding inventory against the risk of not meeting customer demand. Uh, Inefficient inventory management can also cause bottlenecks to the supply chain, delaying and affecting overall customer satisfaction. So overall, because of this, slow decision process can further affect these problems. So in a fast-paced environment, the ability to make quick, informed decisions is very crucial. Traditional SCMs often deliver a hierarchical structures and lengthy approval process that delay the supply chain response times. This particular sluggishness can be prevented from companies by capitalizing the market responses and disruptions through supplier issues and challenges in customer preferences. So these challenges highlight the need for a more advanced solutions and that can handle complexities and speed in modern supply chains. AI offers promising solutions to address issues by enabling efficient data processing, improving forecast accuracy, optimizing inventory management, and accelerating decision making process. So, by leveraging AI, the businesses can transform their supply chain operations to be a responsive, efficient, and aligned to current market trends. So, while we look into the issues that we already have of what the traditional supply chains have, there are certainly few barriers in adopting this AI. Um, the constraints that all the organizations must navigate to adopt this technology effectively or we'll discuss through this slide. One of the primary barriers is the data quality and availability. AI algorithms have heavily relied on large volumes of high quality function of data. In many cases, companies struggle with data and that is incomplete and there is inconsistent and mostly siloed across different departments and systems. In many cases, the poor data quality can lead to inaccurate insights, and that can undermine the effectiveness of these AI solutions. And another constraint is technical expertise that is required to develop and implement and maintain these AI systems. There is definitely a shortage of professionals with necessary skills in ML and data science or the AI technologies. Organizations are finding it challenging to recruit, retain, and develop this talent, and or they may need to invest in the training of the existing staff. This expertise gap can slow down AI adoption and can increase a reliance on the external consultants or vendors. So, integration with legacy systems present additional challenges. Many organizations operate on outdated technologies that are not compatible with modern AI solutions. Retrofitting this AI technologies into these systems can be complex and costly. It may require significant existing processes and systems causing the disruptions to ongoing operations. So, ensuring seamless integration with while maintaining the business continuity is definitely a critical concern. However, the cost of implementation could also be another significant barrier, especially with small and medium-sized enterprises. So, developing AI capabilities can require a substantial investment in hardware, software, and human resources. Cloud-based solutions and AI as SaaS service models, AI service models can maybe mitigate some costs, but organizations still need to consider the total of ownership or TCO while including this ongoing maintenance and upgrades. These constraints highlight the importance of careful planning and strategy while considering AI adoption in the supply chain analytics. Organizations also need to assess the readiness, address the data qualities, build and acquire necessary expertise, plan for system integration, and develop a clear understanding of how much of the cost is involved. So, by proactively managing the constraints, the businesses can set up successful AI implementation, and they can realize the full benefits of their transformed supply chain analytics. Moving forward, we'll discuss about considerations in preparing for AI implementation. Before we dive into AI implementation, it is crucial for the organizations to undertake several considerations to ensure a smooth and successful transition. The first step is assessing the organization readiness. This involves evaluating the current process, technologies, and culture to determine how prepared organizations is to adopt AI. It includes understanding specific needs of supply chain and identify areas where AI can have most significant impact. So, implementing data governance strategies is also essential for AI. Organizations must establish policies and procedures to maintain data quality, security, and compliance. This includes setting up data cleaning processes, SOPs or standard operating procedures, standard data formats, ensuring that the data is collected ethically and is in line with privacy regulations. Good data governance lays the foundation of effective AI by providing reliable and accurate data for algorithm process. So also developing talent and training could also be one of the critical consideration because AI is evolving rapidly. Continuous learning becomes necessary for employers. Organizations should also invest in upskilling the workforce related to AI competencies. This not only includes technical skills, but also understanding AI into business processes and decision making. So, developing internal talent can reduce reliance on external experts to foster culture and innovation. So it is encouraged to partner with develop the partnerships with technology providers, academic institutions, or industry consortia to provide access to cutting edge technologies and share the knowledge facilitated through effective AI adoption. So, by carefully considering these factors, organizations can develop a comprehensive AI implementation plan that addresses the potential challenges upfront. This can provide this a proactive approach which can increases the likelihood of successful AI integration into supply chain analytics, and this ensures the organization is well positioned with leveraging AI capabilities for improved decision making and operational efficiency. Moving on, so let's discuss about crafting the AI strategy, which is again a critical step in transforming supply chain analytics. The first element is defining your clear objectives of your organization or your team. You need to have specific goals to aim to achieve what you are aiming to achieve with AI, such as improving demand forecasting accuracies, or it could be reducing inventory costs or enhancing delivery times. These clear objectives provide direction and help in measuring the success of AI initiatives. Uh, while selecting the um, appropriate AI technologies is a next crucial step. So there are wide ranges of AI tools available, including ML algorithms, NLPs, and CV computer vision. But the choice of the technology should align with your organization's objectives and the nature of the data available. Say, for instance, ML is excellent for pattern recognition, such as large data sets, could be graphical, could be numeric, could be any other. But when it comes to NLP, can be useful for unstructured data for customer feedback because NLP understands human language. So, also, pilot testing and iteration are essential for AI strategy design. Starting with pilot projects can allow organizations to test AI solutions and scale and learn from experiences and maybe make necessary adjustments before a full scale out. This iterative approach can help organizations in refining AI. Another aspect is about scalability and flexibility. should also be built into AI strategy from the beginning so that it can be used when needed. And as organizations grow and market conditions change, AI systems also need to adapt accordingly. So, designing the scalable solutions ensures AI infrastructure to handle the increased data and which is again voluminous and more complex over time, which can get complex over time. So, flexibility allows the incorporating again the new technologies and changes in the business development without significant overhauls. So, by focusing these design elements, organizations can craft AI strategy that can effectively, efficiently align with their business goals. Overall, a well designed AI strategy not only addresses the current challenges, but also positions the organizations to take advantage of future opportunities in supply chain optimization and supply chain analytics. Let's dive deep into the solutions implementing AI in demand forecasting. So one of the impactful application of AI in supply chain analytics is the demand forecasting. Implementing ML algorithms allow organizations to analyze vast amounts of historical sales data, market trends, and external factors such as economic indicators and weather patterns. These algorithms can identify complex patterns and relationships that can traditionally done by the statistical methods that can miss. So real-time data analysis is a significant advantage of using AI for demand forecasting. AI can also be processed the data which is generated, which is up to date, and in that can include market fluctuations. This can enable organizations to respond quickly in the market, adjust the inventory levels according, and optimize production schedules. The use of AI in demand forecasting leads to improved forecast accuracy and efficiency. The results can be more reliable, reducing the risk of overstocks and stockouts. Again, improved forecast accuracy has a direct impact on customer satisfaction because the products can be more likely and available where the customer want them. So let's discuss about a practical example with Amazon where I worked previously, where the implemented AI-driven decisions with demand forecasting to optimize the supply chain. So by integrating the ML algorithms into analytics, Amazon provided its forecast accuracy significantly. According to the public available data and industry reports, AI systems analyze these vast amount of data, including customer browsing behavior, purchasing history, seasonal trends, and even external factors like weather patterns and local events. This advanced forecasting has allowed Amazon to reduce its inventory cost by about an estimated $1.5 billion and improve forecast efficiency by about 15% in certain categories. So, by implementing AI, this not only saved but also enhanced their ability to meet customer demand promptly, reinforcing their competitiveness in e-commerce. Uh, and This improved demand forecasting that enable Amazon to maintain optimum inventory levels, reduce stockouts, and decrease excess stockouts, leading for a better customer satisfaction. So, by implementing AI at Amazon, this demonstrates how AI solutions can provide the tangible solutions in SCM. It also showcases the potential in AI for transforming data into actionable insights that can drive smarter, efficient, and ultimately leading to operational performance and satisfaction. Another area where AI can significantly impact in SEA is inventory management. AI enables the automated inventory management by continuously analyzing the inventory levels like sales data, supply chain dynamics, and the automation reduces the need for manual oversight that minimizes human error, ensuring the inventory levels are aligned with current demand. AI algorithms can forecast future inventory requirements with a multitude of variables, like including the lead times, supplier performance, seasonal trends, and promotional activities. Such implemented AI solutions can be helpful in maintaining the optimum inventory levels, and companies can reduce the capital tied up to these unsold goods and can decrease the storage and insurance expenses. Additionally, improved inventory turnouts can contribute for a better cash flow and overall financial health. So let's take an example of Walmart, which utilized AI-driven inventory management to streamline its operations. So by leveraging these predictive analytics, Walmart has achieved a 25% reduction in excess inventory, freeing about 2 billion in capital. The AI systems analyzed the real-time sales data, weather patterns and local events, and also predicted the potential short overstock and understock situations. This proactive approach has helped improve the shelf life availability by 16%, enhancing their ability to fully fulfill the orders and boosting the customer satisfaction. So, as we can see, enhancing AI inventory management with AI exemplifies how advanced technologies can solve traditional supply chain challenges. It also demonstrates the practical benefits of AI, including cost savings and efficient gains, and also looking for better transformed inventory management practices with a more responsive and aligned with business needs. Moving on, another solution that AI can help is about the accelerated decision making process.
Certainly.
So it can be certainly beneficial, and AI can help analyze the data rapidly and can provide actionable insights for the decision makers. These complex processes um, um, uses the complex data sets and far quickly than human can do. So collaboration with AI and humans is definitely vital for optimal decision making. While AI improves the data analysis recommendations, human judgment is also definitely necessary to interpret the insights of in the broader context. That is where the synergies is needed to ensure decisions not only driven by AI but also aligned with strategic objectives and considerations. Another case study is with UPS, where they use Orion on-road integration optimization and navigation. By leveraging this, UPS was able to reduce the delivery routes by about 100 million miles annually. That saved about 10 million gallons of the fuel each year. This not only cut costs by improving on-time delivery, and it actually reduced by 95% the on-time delivery rate was about 95%. So by leveraging AI for such kind of an accelerated decision making process, UPS was able to be more aligned and responsive in the dynamic market environment. This highlights the importance of integrating AI, and that can complement human expertise, leading to better outcomes and stronger competitive position. Moving on,
Ra- Ramakrishna, we're drawing near the end of the presentation. Would you be able to summarize some of the major thoughts?
yes, I can. So let's yeah. It is important for understanding the ethical and legal compliances with respect to the AI. Data privacy regulations such as GDPR and California Privacy Act are currently helpful in the stricter regulations with AI, and it is also needed in need of the hour to have algorithmic bias and the fairness for considering the ethical considerations. And it is also essential to implement and measure detecting the need, how well this bias is going on with AI algorithms. Transparent AI practices is also the need of the hour to understand the implementation along with working with the stakeholders. So by prioritizing ethical and the compliance considerations, organizations can demonstrate the commitment and responsible to AI search. So, in the future trends, we'll be looking into the next wave of AIs, that is the autonomous supply chains, combined with automated robotics and automation technologies, and also the AI-driven sustainability initiative, which is becoming an increasingly important thing for our organizations to prioritize on the environment responsibility. And also integration of IoT is another trend transforming the supply chains, which is again using the real-time data and sensors. So by staying ahead, abreast and ahead on the future trends, organizations can position themselves to capitalize on new opportunities and maintain the competitive edge. So I conclude by saying that impact of the AI and supply chain is profounding and far-fetching. AI technologies can transform vast amounts of data into actionable insights, and they can certainly make in faster decision making. Say from improving the demand forecasting to inventory management and the other verticals that we just discussed, AI offers the solutions for long standing supply chains. So, to harness AI successfully, organizations must adopt these comprehensive strategies, as we discussed earlier, and also have a well-crafted AI strategy that aligns with their business needs and incorporate the continuous improvements practices, and that can release the full potential of the AI in supply chains. The call to action for the organizations is clear. Embrace AI's technologies to improve the supply chain performance. Begin with assessing organization readiness, define clear objectives, and plan for strategic implementation. By taking proactive steps now, you can position your supply chain for excellent and efficient process, and this can increasingly help in the complex and dynamic global market. So, saying that, I now open the floor for questions you may have, and thank you for attention. And I look forward for your discussion.
Thank you very much, Ramakrishna. I don't think we have time for a Q&A right now, but we're going to take a brief break, and then we're going to go into the next presentation. Thank you very much for giving us a comprehensive overview of how AI plays a pivotal role in supply chain analytics and supply chain management overall. We look forward to seeing what comes next in your, once you finish your master's program and how you're going to apply these new ideas in industry.
Thank you so much, Quinn. Thank you, team. Yeah.